Today we talk about how can you add new gem on your school planner app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your school planner app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign here, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. We just click here on settings. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on Gems here. We just click here on Gems. So then it's going to take you to this is here. And here you will find all gems you have here. Then here can you create new gems here, just click on it. Then it's going to create with you here, and there can you separate in this list here. When you click here in this sign, it's going to delete with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.